wasting my time.
Just so acknowledge, I would say that Burrell is applicable.
And you're going to need to file a motion. So I can, if it doesn't bear out, I can find it frivolous and I'm going to adjourn this and then I can sanction. How long is that going to take you?
Judge,
How long is that going to take you?
Judge, certainly.
How long is that going to take? Court's going to stand in recess. You lied to me at the very beginning of your argument. You said that I held a preliminary examination on the co-defendant. I couldn't recall it, but it's not true. That was an absolute falsehood and misrepresentation to this court. I didn't handle that exam. Judge Barr handled that exam. So your initial argument regarding refusal started with and I hate using the word, but it's true. It started with a lie. Then, Mr. Martel, you continued with your lie regarding the import of the case of People versus Burrell. You cite a portion of that, and I think intentionally skipped over the first part of that paragraph to mislead this court.
If I may.
If it's not going to be a lie, go for it.
Judge, respectfully.
No, you lied to me.
Okay, if I may, very briefly, I think the record will reflect it. When I cited or spoke about a preliminary examination, I didn't speak directly to this court having done it, but it having been previously held. I was not present at that particular examination. However, Judge, certainly I would make no false representations as to who held it or who didn't hold it. I think I just provided that for context.
You want me to play it back?
Judge, I certainly do not. But
You want me to play it back?
Judge, I certainly, if Your Honor, some other time wants, that's fine.
No. If you're going to sit up here and tell me you didn't lie to me, you want me to play it back?
Judge, then I stand corrected, but I certainly intend to make no misrepresentation.
One may have to convince me why you have not, only in terms of your misleading of this court, attempted to try to have this judge recused for the purpose of forum shopping. That's because, I think so. Because originally I had to step into this case, and I can tell you probably weren't necessarily real excited about it. But that's the way that the system works here. And so I think you're continuing on with that. And because there's no other reason, I think, to try to bring this frivolous argument.
Judge, respectfully, I certainly enjoy practicing before Your Honor. And I certainly had no intent of or the exam or the transcript thereafter. As far as I don't believe any misrepresentations were made to this honorable court, Judge. I stand firm on my word. At the end of the day, I think there's a basis for our argument to put forth the position of the court that it's not certainly, Your Honor, we will move forward with your denial and we're prepared.
I have not ruled. You will hear my ruling loud and clear. Yes. Do not presume that I'm going to deny it. Before I stepped off the bench, I asked, and I think properly so, your motion should be in writing. How long will that take you to do? If you won't answer me, then I will set the time frame.
2 weeks, please, and thank you, Judge.